Hello, folks. Come to the new session where we were writing in the previous that CURD operations. So in this we have written the main class, and after that we have also having the application dot properties set, and we have done that URL. We have set JDBC MySQL localhost 3306, and then username and password, and then we have got the JPA direct also here, and we have to show the SQL, we have shown the type as true. So moving forward, now we have to make the model class. So we just have firstly we will define the package. So model class we are going to build. So here we will be making a class like employee. So this will be our class employee. So in this as this is an employee class, and it will be having some fields. Those fields, we just think about it. Private int id. So we can take long also, long id, and private private string, okay, private string first name like this, and private string last name, and private string email id, and private string description. So these are some of the fields which we will be making it up of. As this is a table, so we will be putting entity. So javax dot persistence dot entity class, and we will be also taking at the rate table annotation here, and this annotation table will be named as employee. So that's how. Now we have to fix the annotations at here also, that it will be having the ID as an data long ID, and beside this ID, you can have also have the generated values, or column. You can have basically column, and name is you have taken as an ID, like that you can define it. So after defining this, you can have the constructor. So just we have to go to generate. In generate, we will define a constructor. So taking all the fields we will be making, and one we will define a default constructor. This one, default constructor. So having the getter setter methods, we will go to generate, and generate we will select getter method first, and similarly here we will have the setter methods here. And in the end we will be having one to string method also, so that also we can generate with to string like this. So this is how our employee class is there. So in the next video, we will be making the repository class is very simple, so we can cover up here so that we can take more time in the controller class. So we take as an interface first. So repository, and this will be basically an interface. So you can say this as an as a employee repository. So we can have this uh, employee repository as it is an interface like this. This is an interface, so we can define this as a repository like this. So from the stereotype repository, it is coming. So and it will be extend JPA repository. So here we can extend JPA repository. So it is extending the JPA repository. So it is having the employee, and as there we have taken the long. So here it will be a long. So this is a repository which will be having send in the JPA. So next we have to work on the controller part. In the next video, we will go with the controller part and have the methods like get a method, post method, and put method there. So majorly, if you see that the CURD stands for create, retrieve, update, and delete. So these are the four basic functions of the persistence storage. So the CURD operations can be defined as a user interface conventions that allow view, search, and modify information through computer-based forms of and reports. So that's how CURD is data-oriented, and the standardized use of HTTP action works. So post is, you can see that it is creates a new resource. Get, you know that it has reached a resource, and put, as we have discussed, that it updates the record, and delete, which of course deletes the resource. So this we will be seeing in more detail when we will be digging our code in the controller part. So thank you. Please like and subscribe my video. I see you in my next video. Thank you.